Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hey, are you alone too?
Always. Streets are my only friend.
Same here. Been on my own for months.
Months? I've lived here for years.
Don't you get tired?
I do, but I hide it well.
I miss soft beds.
I miss quiet nights.
People used to pet me.
People used to feed me.
What changed?
They moved on. I stayed behind.
I chased every car.
I watched every door.
I thought they'd come back.
I hoped they'd notice.
Nights are cold.
Days are lonelier.
I sleep under that bench.
I curl near that tree.
How old are you now?
Probably 7. Lost count after 5.
I wish I had wings.
You'd still chase your tail in the sky.
What scares you most?
Hunger and forgetting who I was.
Ever find leftovers?
Sometimes, if I'm lucky.
I get scared when it rains.
I freeze when it storms.
I barked once. Someone yelled.
I meowed. No one cared.
I chased a boy yesterday.
Why did you chase him?
I thought he smiled.
Was he kind?
He threw a rock.
I know that pain.
Why are humans like this?
Perhaps they're afraid of us?
But we never meant harm.
We just want warmth.
Do you trust people?
Not anymore.
I still do. A little.
That little can hurt you.
I believe someone kind will come.
You dream big, dog.
What keeps you going?
Habit, mostly, and hunger.
I chase cars to feel alive.
I chase shadows.
I was Max once.
I forgot mine.
I lost a friend last week.
What happened?
He didn't wake up.
I've seen that too.
We don't live long, do we?
We just exist, not live.
Ever had dreams?
I dreamed of a window seat.
I dreamed of a leash with love.
Leashes scare me.
Not when it means safety.
Maybe, but freedom feels better.
I wonder what home feels like.
Quiet, safe, warm.
Do you think we'll ever find it?
I doubt it.
That's sad.
That's life.
But we met today.
And we're talking.
That's something.
A rare thing.
I've never shared this much.
Me neither.
I once followed a family.
And what happened next?
They fed me, then left.
People leave, always.
Ever been hugged?
Long ago.
I miss that feeling.
Me too.
If I had a wish
What would it be?
to be wanted,
That hurts.
what's yours?
To not be invisible.
Will you stay close?
Only if you don't snore.
I'll try not to.
Good boy.
Let's find breakfast.
Dumpster behind the bakery?
I know the one.
Race you there?
I'm faster.
But I'm smarter.
We make a team.
Against the world.
Have you ever been hit?
Too many times.
I flinch when hands rise.
I run.
We met for a reason.
Survival or something more?
Maybe both.
Maybe healing starts here.
Let's stick together.
Through storms and sun.
I'll protect you.
I'll guide you.
If someone adopts you,
You'll come with me.
promise?
Swear on my last whisker.
What if we don't get lucky?
Then we have each other.
The streets are tough.
But not tougher than us. Do you still dream? Only with you beside me.
That made me smile.
You need it.
I used to play fetch.
I chased yarn in a warm room.
Ever thought of running far away?
From what to where?
Just somewhere quieter?
With less stones, more bread.
Maybe a field.
Maybe a barn.
And no loud horns.
No chasing boots.
What would we do there?
Breathe. Sleep without fear.
That sounds like heaven.
Or just kindness.
We should give ourselves a name.
Like a team?
Yeah! Max and Lily. Street warriors.
Sounds dramatic. I love it.
I don't feel lost anymore.
I don't feel alone anymore.
I guess it's time to go.
Then go gently, friend.
Goodbyes are hard.
Then let's say see you later.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.